What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, as you can see, we in nature with it. Been working out. I'm down 20 pounds in the last like 3 months. I don't know if you guys could tell yet, but yeah, I just been kind of on like a fitness journey and stuff like that, trying to drop this weight because you guys know I love to grub out. I like to go on vacation. I eat out a lot. But in this video, I'm gonna really take you guys on like a day in the life, like a regular day in the life, like what I do when I'm like not on vacation. Right now we just getting this walk in. I might hit the gym too later. I've been kind of like on this journey of like trying to lose, well, not trying to lose, trying to burn 1,000 calories like a day. I can't like really do it every day, but I be trying to burn like 1,000 calories in a day. So I be like working out like 2-3 times a day to do it. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna just finish this little workout. It's like the morning time, so I'm gonna finish this little workout and then I'm gonna check back in the next clip. All right, y'all, so I'm just about to head to the nail salon so I can actually get me a pedicure. Sorry, just gotta drop the top. It's a nice ass day today. All right, so about to just head to the nail salon real quick. I need a pedicure bad. Like, I've been on my feet a lot. I just like want to go get my feet kind of like rubbed down, pedicure, like keep my feet in good condition since I've been like moving a lot and stuff like that. Other than that, wait, where am I going? I think I need to go this way. Hopefully it's not too much wind, but yeah, guys, I'm about to just go handle that real quick. The nature walk was cool. I've been like real focused on my fitness lately, and that's just because like, I don't know, I just feel like health is wealth. Like, it's no sense of making all this money if I'm gonna be feeling tired all the time, feeling sluggish. And I feel like that's what the weight was doing. It was catching up to me. So I was like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna just go out there, work out, start eating healthier. And I feel like lately I've been having a lot more energy. I've been feeling like good every day. Like every day I just feel like amazing. Like, I don't know. I just feel like working out just really did boost like my mental health a lot. Not saying I was depressed or anything like that, but I was starting to feel like fatigue and like, I ain't gonna say brain fog, but just not 100%. Like, you know, if you guys know yourself, you know when you're not functioning, you know, optimally. So I felt like, you know, I had to like kind of optimize myself, and that's kind of like what working out did for me, and eating healthy and stuff. I just feel like I'm just in a very good frequency. Like, I'm feeling really good about myself, and I just want to keep on this journey. And yeah, that's kind of what I've been on. All right, guys, so I'm just at the bank real quick, about to take out some money. I'm actually building a whole apartment right here next to my bank, so into my pen. I'm just take out some quick cash. That's like 500. Let's take that out. I don't need no receipt. But yeah, guys, about to just hit this nail salon. It's like right up the street, like literally 2 minutes away. So I'm just grabbing some cash so I can like tip my nail tech, stuff like that. I should have got 20s. Oh shoot, I didn't even tell them what type of cash I wanted. Hopefully they gave me some 20s. Good, they gave me some 20s. Some 20s, 300s. All right. I ain't gonna lie, when she walked past the car, I had got scared. Like, somebody was running up on me real quick. They sure would have got me because I sure was lacking. Like, we out. This is a nice neighborhood. I ain't really too much worried about over here, even though like stuff can go down anywhere and has gone down around here, but during the day it's usually a good neighborhood. This is like downtown Peachtree Corners. As you can see, Peachtree Corners. This is where I be getting my nails done. And like, I don't know, you guys probably see me over here before in another vlog. I ain't gonna say downtown Peachtree Corners. I'm gonna just say Peachtree Corners, but it's like where the forum is at, and like where everybody be like shopping and getting their daily activities done and stuff like that. All right, guys, so I just got to the nail salon, so I'm about to just see what they talking about up in here. I hope it's not too crowded. About to just go see real quick. Water feel good. All right, so they just finished up. You can see feet looking decent. I don't really want to show it too much, but yeah, it was a good. I just gotta sit here and let it dry. But what y'all think? W feet or nah? My feet cooked. What y'all think? See y'all in the next clip. All right, so this is how I'm walking out. My feet out. Nah, but that was cool. I actually feel real relaxed. I had the little massage chair and everything. Man, my car is dirty, bro. Look at my rims. Like, my car is like filthy. I should just go to get a car wash right now, but I don't know. I think I might just ride past the car wash because it's only like 8 minutes from here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next, is actually just get my car detailed, because I got like trash and stuff all in here. It's actually looking bad, so let's head there right now. So you guys see the car just got cleaned up, so nice. Oh, it's actually shining now. See, this is what it's supposed to look like when it's actually clean. The wheel's supposed to actually shine. That's kind of all I was really worried about. Dash stuff all over it. Crank it up, make sure everything's good. Oh, my seat is like all the way up. Jesus. But yeah, it looked like they did a decent job. Let's check inside the cup holder. Cup holder check. Look like they could have got that a little better, but it was a little better. All right, y'all, so it's a new day. I just pulled up to the Avalon real quick. I gotta hit the Nike store. It's kind of crowded though. I had to park like on almost the second floor of the parking garage. That's not usual around this time because it's only like 1 o'clock. I just finished my workout and stuff. So right now I'm just about to hit this Nike store. So let's just see what's up. Nike store
in 90 feet. The destination is on your left, Nike.
They also got a bunch of dope restaurants, so I might just find something to eat while I'm over here. Also, I'm gonna just check out this Nike store first, see what's going on. So I'm in a Nike store, just trying to find maybe some more workout gear. I don't know, I got a lot of this stuff, kind of. Oh, this is kind of fire. I don't think that's my size though, it's medium. I don't think they got my size. But yeah, guys, I'm about to just shop around. I'll let y'all know what I end up copying. All right, guys. So this is a little something in Nike, nothing too crazy. It's a little something. Got some more workout stuff, like some bras, a couple of like running t-shirts, like dry fit type shirts, so the sweat don't get to me too much. But it's kind of loud over here. I'm gonna pick back up with y'all. All right, y'all, so I just got to this steakhouse. I'm about to go grab some food. Finally. Lock the doors real quick. I guess I can show y'all guys what I eat and stuff. Let's head up in here. All right, so this is the menu. I'm probably just gonna go like steak Maui, like a real ribeye. But instead of the mashed potatoes, I'm probably gonna get like the broccoli. But yeah, let's check out the steak when it gets here. Steak is good. Enjoying lunch. Just ready to eat. I ain't even gonna talk too much. So yeah, ate all my food. Just gotta finish this broccoli up. I be going crazy when I eat. I can literally eat a whole 12-ounce steak. It's crazy, but yeah, guys, I'm done eating. I'm about to check out of here. Head to the car. I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, y'all. So I just finished lunch. I'm actually about to head home. Like, you guys can kind of see like an average day in the life of like what I do when I'm just like kicking it at home. Not really on vacation, you know, I really just be chilling and stuff like that. So it's kind of like my lifestyle. Just wake up, figure out what I want to do for the day, and I just do it. It's not really like a planned out day. You know, I might go home, check some stats, you know, check on my CPA marketing data, but besides that, I don't really got much planned. So I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.